Do you wonder why so many people, including celebrities, die without a will? Let me explain a little bit about this in this video right now. Hi, I'm Varvara Gokea, the founder of the Inheritance Lawyer, and we created the Inheritance Audit Meeting to help people protect themselves, their loved ones, their assets before it's too late. Every day you hear about people, including celebrities, who pass away without a will. These people could absolutely afford to have the proper planning, but they don't do it. Do you wonder why? The main reason is that people are afraid to talk or to even think about death. Nobody thinks today is the day I'm going to die, so people put it off. Take the lesson of the actor Anne Heche. She died in August 2022 in a car accident. She was young, she was 53 years old, beautiful, successful, and she left behind two young sons. One son was 20 years old from a previous marriage and one 13 years old from a different partner. After her death, the shock and the pain, the two brothers had to face a different reality. Who was going to probate the mother's estate and who is going to be in charge of dividing the mother's assets? A court battle ensued, where the older son requested to be the mother's estate representative. The actress's partner, the father of the 13-year-old son, also petitioned to be Anne's estate representative. What does petitioning the court mean, you ask? Petitioning the court means an expenditure of time, money, grief, conflict, and emotions. Instead of healing themselves and spending time together, the two brothers, remembering their mother with love, they started a fight in court to see who's going to divide the mother's assets. If Anne Heche would have put her wishes in writing, the court was unnecessary, and she would have protected the two brothers from fighting and should have protected the brotherly love. The court appointed the 20-year-old son of Anne Heche to be the administrator of her estate. Now the question is, would Anne have appointed her 20-year-old son to be the administrator of her estate? We'll never know. Can a 20-year-old son perform the duties laid upon him by this responsibility? Can the 20-year-old son be fair when dividing the assets with his 13-year-old brother? These are questions that you should ask yourself and about your loved ones. Do you see your loved ones being in court fighting over what they're going to inherit from you? About who will represent you after your death? About who's going to make decisions on your behalf? We can take Anne Heche's story and learn the lesson how important it is to do an estate plan to protect your loved ones. To help our community, we created the Inheritance Audit Meeting. This is a 15 to 30 minutes interview you're going to have with one of our legal assistants. And then after the interview, you will realize whether you have all your documents in order, whether you need anything else, and you will get peace of mind knowing that your loved ones and your assets are protected and they are not going to wind up in court fighting. My name is Varvara Gokea, the founder of the Inheritance Lawyer law firm. Schedule your Inheritance Audit Meeting now.